Hello, today we'll be painting a beautiful camellia using the Minhwa Kit made by Studio Onha.
Before we get started, please prepare a few supplies. A red or blue pen, scotch tape, a water jar, and kitchen towels or a rag. The brush in the kit is brand new, so it's stiff with sizing. Before using it, soak it in the water jar to gently wash the sizing out. Now, if you're ready, let's begin. There are many ways to transfer a design, but we've attached transfer paper to the back of the design so that beginners can do it as easily and simply as possible. Align the top line of the design with the top of the panel and then tape it down so it doesn't move. If the design shifts in the middle, the lines can overlap and it can't be corrected, so it's very important to secure it so it doesn't move. Once it's secured, trace all the lines of the design with a red or blue pen. Don't press too hard so you don't leave deep pen marks. Just trace gently. Once you're done tracing, carefully peel off the tape. In the traditional method, you'd outline the shape once more with ink. But since we use transfer paper, we'll skip this step and go straight to coloring. The paper you received is already coated with alum sizing, which is collagen extracted from animal bones or hides. It prevents the paint from bleeding and helps with color payoff. The paint has also been pre-mixed for beginners, so you can use it right away. Now let's start painting. First, we'll paint the flower. We'll paint the entire flower using paint number 1 from the kit. Controlling the water is important here. Before painting on the panel, test it on the practice paper first to check the amount of water. Next, it's time to paint the leaves. Paint the leaves in the same way using number 5. Next, paint the tips of the leaves with paint number 3. Please make sure the flower and leaves are completely dry. If the paint is too light, you can apply another coat after it's completely dry. Once it's dry, we'll try a very important technique in Minhwa called Barim. Simply put, Barim is a shading technique. It adds depth and dimension to the painting. We'll use 2 brushes. You'll apply the color with a small brush and use a clean, slightly damp, medium brush. With paint number 2, paint the dark areas in a circular motion from the inside of each petal outward, covering about a third of the petal from the inside out. After that, blend it out with a slightly damp, medium brush. Using paint number 6, paint the dark areas on the inside of the leaves. Once you're done with the shading, practice drawing lines with a thin detail brush first. Clean up the outlines of the flower with paint number 2. Draw the outlines and veins of the leaves with paint number 6. Once you're done with the outlines, we'll draw the stamens. Draw lines in the center of the flower with paint number 4. Then, dot with paint number 3 to complete the stamens. Finally, draw the center line of the leaves with paint number 3. A beautiful camellia is complete. Great job, everyone!